Hi, Mike from Conference Technologies. On today's episode of CTI-TIPS, we're going to be exploring the collaborative functionality of the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S. Let's get started. With work environments evolving, people returning back to the office either full-time or in a hybrid model, collaboration and communication with our team members is key to productivity. The Microsoft Surface Hub is a perfect tool for anywhere from the huddle space all the way up to the corporate boardroom. The Surface Hub is a perfect solution when combined with Microsoft Teams. With Teams, you're instantly able to collaborate with your coworkers around the globe. Collaborating together, you can use the built-in whiteboard functionality with 10 points of touch on the 50-inch or 20 points of touch on the 85, or use the built-in applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. There are multiple ways to join a Teams meeting on the Surface Hub. First is to invite the room to your meeting. The second is to create an ad hoc meeting from the Surface Hub and invite who you want to call. The third is to use the Microsoft Teams app on your personal device. For room audio, select the Surface Hub that's nearest you. Writing and drawing using the whiteboard functionality on the Surface Hub is effortless. The screen is quite responsive and no noticeable latency. With ink to shape and the ink to table functionality, also the ability to bring in screenshots from other applications, the whiteboard becomes a great collaborative tool during a meeting. After your meeting, you can share the files you've created either in email or, if you're logged into the Surface Hub, to Microsoft OneDrive. Let's talk specs real quick. We're standing in front of the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S 50-inch. It has a fantastic 4K IPS anti-glare display. Inside of it is a built-in compute with a quad-core i5 processor, a 128 gig SSD hard drive. Perfect for Windows 10 and Microsoft Teams. For audio, we have a built-in 8-element microphone array for picking up everyone in the room and 3-way stereo front-facing speakers so everyone can hear fantastically. For camera, comes with the Surface 4K camera with a 90-degree field of view that can be moved around the display depending on orientation of the room and the display. Included in the box is the Surface Hub 2 pen. It can also work with the Surface Slim pen that may come with your personal devices as well. If you want more information on the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, any Microsoft Teams room solutions, or other AV needs, please go to our website at conferencetech.com. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.